Here's Lyla on August the 1st, 2014. She is 4 years old. Where are we, Lyla?
At camping.
We're at camping. And what are you doing?
Going walks in the lake with what?
Oh, show me. Whoa! Nice throwing. Who's here with us?
Grandfather, Nanny, and Uncle Michael.
Oh, let's see. Oh, there's Uncle Michael. And there's Nanny. And there's Grandfather with his beef jerky.
I'll still put it up tonight. I'll take it out though. Thanks. Still light it. Why don't you break one of the milk and I'll eat it. Good idea.
How'd we get to our camping spot, Lyla?
We was in those two boats.
What are the boats called?
Can you tell me?
Yeah, they're called canoes.
Canoes.
It was fun, wasn't it? Okay, say bye.